Okay, I just wanted to do a really quick lecture about how to create an animated logo. It's really simple and easy in Keynote. It's probably the same, I think, in PowerPoint. And we'll just make a little movie of this. And this will form our bumpers for our intros and our outros that we put on all of our lectures. So this is our course on how to roast your own coffee. So we'll just go to the front introduction here and we'll click the coffee cup. Hold down the shift key and select the text, the title. And then we go over here to see where it says animate, format. Go to format and then just go click on the arrange and click down here at the bottom group. And that just makes this all one thing that we can animate. So then we go up to animate, the top right, click on that and just make sure it says build in on the left and then just click add an effect. And then you can pick all of these really cool effects. I was going to do, let me show it to you, where is it? Flames, but it just seemed kind of, oh, here we go. It seemed kind of tacky. I don't know, And then you can change the duration here. See, so that was pretty long. It was 2.5 seconds. So let's preview that. That's only 1 second. So I don't know. I mean, it seems kind of tacky to me, but it's whatever you guys like. So you can, there's just all kinds of different ones that you can do. You can twirl, you can dissolve. I mean, it's pretty cool. Anyway, so let's just stick with a simple confetti. And then you guys can play around with it and see what you like. So it's the default for the confetti. It takes a second to produce that effect. So let's go over here to duration and direction and change it. I found about 0.7 of a second works good. So let's preview that. And then we can just preview it by hitting play. And then you hit the forward arrow key. And that's what it'll look like, Of course, it's still set up with the rest of the course, so we have to take it away. So there we go. So it's a very simple logo. And we'll make a movie out of that. So let's just go over here and right click and copy that slide that we just created. And then we'll go over here to the little copy of another introduction that I'd already set up. And let's just go in here and let's just paste our fun logo in here. And then let's just get rid of all these other ones. We don't need them. There we go. So all we have, this is just for our logo bumper. All we have is that. And so all we do is go hit play. And then when we're ready, just hit. See, so it works. So to record that, we go here to audio, and we're just going to record a voiceover, but with no voice. Just so we can get a movie out of it. And that way we can download a movie from Keynote and upload it back into ScreenFlow and then, move it around a little bit and it will create our bumper. So let's hit record. Let's hit turn the microphone off on this far left, mute. It says mute row recording. Seems counterintuitive, but and then we hit play, record, and then we hit the arrow key, and then just let it run for about 10 seconds. That'll give you plenty of space to edit it in ScreenFlow to create just the right size bumper. Okay, so hit the record button again to stop, and there we go. A little bit longer than I thought, 15 seconds, but that's fine. And then we just go up here to File and Export to QuickTime, and that'll create the movie you need. Make sure you change the format from 720p to 1080p. That's the highest quality. And just hit Next. And make sure you've got the name as something that you like. I'll just call it Bumper 2. And then you just save it, export it. It's a really fast thing. Boom, there you go.